Hey everyone, in this video I'll tell you about the easiest way and the quickest one to export your webcomic file to be able to publish it on WEBTOONs. If you ever wanted to publish on WEBTOONs, you probably saw that their file format for a chapter is having multiple JPEG files of 800 pixels of width by 1280 pixels of height. Usually you would have to work on big vertical files to be able to lay out your panels correctly. For example, I use a format of 1000 pixels by 50,000. But if you do that, you'll then have to slice the exported JPEG manually into slices of 1280 pixels. There's programs like Croppy where you can import your big JPEG file and it will slice it for you. Since Clip Studio's last update, there's an even better way now. And now in Clip Studio, there is directly a menu option to export your WEBTOON. When you click on it, you'll get an option window where you can specify the width of your panels in percentage or pixels. This is great if you worked on a bigger canvas. It will resize it automatically, just like I had my 1000 pixels wide. So now, if I type 800, because that's the guidelines for WEBTOON, it will resize it and compress it down. And on the text bar below, you'll have to select Export All Pages and then Export by Slicing Vertically. In this text box, you'll enter 1280 pixels, as again this is the WEBTOON format. And then just go ahead and export to the folder you selected. And now when we go into the folder, you can see we have all our images already named accordingly. And when I'll import them into WEBTOON as a batch, everything will be in order and ready to go to publish your chapter. And that's it. It's easy as that. Now Clip Studio is for me officially the best program to draw WEBTOONs in because everything is already integrated. If you want to try Clip Studio for yourself, I encourage you to use the affiliate link I put down below in the description. It's free to try and use. And after the free trial period, if you end up liking it and buying it, in that case I may earn a small commission. If that's the case, thank you very much. So, bye everyone and keep creating.